Another way of creating objects or drawing objects in AutoCAD is through the use of the arc command. And this command will allow us to draw arcs of a circle. So we can activate the arc command by either clicking the icon here found in the draw panel or just by simply typing letter A on your keyboard. Just like with the circle command, the arc command also have various ways on how it will define the arc, and we can access that by clicking the pull down menu below the icon, and it will show you now the different options that you can choose from depending on the condition of the arc that you are going to do. AutoCAD uses the 3-point options by default. And in this option, it will create you an arc using 3 different options. So how do we use that, or how do we activate the arc command? So again, we can simply click the icon of the 3-point option on the draw panel or just type in letter A on your keyboard and then press enter. The first prompt for you is to specify the start point of an arc. So again, if you have the exact coordinates, you can directly enter those here to specify the start point, or you can just click anywhere on your drawing area if you don't have the coordinates. So let's say, for example, here, just make a left click on your mouse, and then the next prompt is to specify the second point of the arc. So again, you can click anywhere on your drawing area, or if you have the coordinates, use that. So left click. After specifying the second point, AutoCAD is already providing you of what will your arc will look like after responding to the next prompt, which is to specify the endpoint of the arc. So for example, this will be the endpoint of my arc. Just make a left click and your command is already finished. So you will now see that this is now the arc that is formed using the 3-point options.